Hello, and welcome to the CAP point of sale demo for liquor stores featuring cash discounting. Today we're going to cover basic point of sale functionality, tender types, cash discounting, as well as some back office functions to help track customers, inventory, purchasing, and reporting. To start, we're going to look at the point of sale where we can scan product. So anything that's barcoded, we're going to scan it. It's going to populate onto the sale here. We can search by description. So we're going to look for a bottle of Smirnoff, and we want this orange twist 175. We're going to add it to the sale, and it's going to ask for age verification. At that point, we can scan a driver's license, swipe a driver's license, type a birth date, or skip the person if they're clearly of age. Now, we've got that item added to the sale. We can search for other items, we can continue scanning, or we can use what we call our hotkeys menu. And this is designed to help you ring up items that either aren't barcoded or are hard to barcode or are hard to scan if they are barcoded, like a bag of ice you don't want people bringing to the counter, keg deposits, for example, keg setup. So we're going to rent a keg barrel. We can actually go to different kegs and sell those. Or we can go to items that may just not have barcodes, like cigars, for example. We can ring up different cigars at open dollar amount or specific items. We can grab a few bottles of wine. And then if we want to, say, ring up more than one of this bottle of wine, we can just simply click it and say, this person's got 9 of these. And we accidentally rang up this Prosperity Merlot, so we're going to cancel that item simply by clicking it and selecting cancel. We've got a sale begun now. Once we've got all our items on sale, we can either attach a customer name if we're doing any kind of wholesale pricing or loyalty, or if you have a wine club or a bourbon club or something like that, we can attach the customer name and track their purchasing history. And then you can do marketing activities around who those customers are. To modify the sale that we started, we can go to exceptions. And I can either discount a specific line item. Maybe I've got a sale on Smirnoff going on right now. I can just provide a straight 10% discount on this individual item. Or I can modify the entire sale. So I can issue a return. I can apply a discount to the entire sale, or I can go by item again and do store coupons, specific discounts, vendor coupons. I can cancel an item if I ring it up by accident, or I can key in a specific price. Let's change the price on this cigar to $9.99 cigar. I'm going to do that. You can see I'm calculating cost, profit, and margin on the fly here. All this access is controlled by your user code. So your employees, you can manage by their sales code and restrict their access to things like discounts, returns, ability to see your cost and profit, for example, and keep them from doing things you don't want them to do. Now, we have a simple set of tender set up here. You can have cash, check, credit card, debit, gift certificates, things like that, internal charges. If you have a customer selected, we can now charge on the account. So if we have any wholesale customers or we're doing B2B sales, I can charge on that customer's account. But once we select tender, we're going to see the cash discounting functions appear. So now you see you have your cash option. We have our total, our tax, our service fee, and then we discount that service fee for cash. But if they're paying with credit, it's not discounted and you have a new total. So we can tell the customer their options. We can mention that we have a cash discounting program. They can see that they're going to save $9.70 by paying cash, and then they can choose how they're going to pay. This person chooses to go ahead and pay with a credit card, use the MasterCard. It's going to go out through the device, ask them to enter their card, complete the transaction, print a receipt, and we're complete. Let's do the other way where we do cash. Again, I can skip an age verification if this person is clearly of age. You grab a few other items. I want to go to tender. So again, going to display the cash option, the credit option. If they say, oh yeah, I want to save $383, I'm going to pay cash. So at this point, I can choose to pay with a $100 bill. It's going to automatically show me my discount, my change due. I can switch the receipt to email if I wish to, or to an invoice printer if I'm doing a wholesale on the fly at this point. I can also print a packing list if I'm doing any kind of deliveries or wholesale pickup and have different items ready at a loading dock, for example. I want to complete that transaction. Again, the receipt prints, my inventory is up to date, and now that sale is attached to that customer that we selected from the database. So to highlight, we've got scanning of product, we've got cash discounting built in, we've got variable tender types, we've got on-the-fly discounts. And again, if you have customers set up with wholesale pricing or your membership clubs, you can apply discounts to wholesale customers across your different departments. So maybe they get 5% off of wine, 10% off of hard alcohol, etc. And you can also provide those types of discounts to your membership. So you can have a discount on bourbons for your bourbon club members and wine, or mix and match pricing for wine or quantity pricing, and all the other discounts that retailers typically like to provide. So we hope you enjoyed the demo. And for any other questions, please visit us at our website or talk to your agent, and they can get you further information and pricing. Thank you.